Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the GitHub Actions. Today we are going to learn about utilizing the repository environments GitHub Actions. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. Utilizing the repository environments in the GitHub Actions allows you to manage the configurations. Like suppose we have a development, staging and the production environment. So then we can manage the databases, right? So like suppose development you have a different database, staging you have different, and production you have different. So how you can manage this? So in that case, what we are using environment variables, okay, of the GitHub Actions. So how we are going to create it? Go to the settings of your repository. Okay, so here we have the environment section. Here I have created the two one. You will go with this new section. Here you can make it like the staging environment. Okay, create that one. So here you have to create secret file. So you have to create the secrets. So here you can create the secret like db host. Okay, and put the any of that one 192.168 dot something dot. Okay, so here you can add the secret. Here you can also add the environment also, so environment variables. Okay, so here you can add the environment like here you can say greeting, and here I'm the value is the testing value, testing. Okay, just add the variable. Okay, so this is done. Let's go and just add one more thing that is in the production. I think I'm using the production, right? So here I'm going to add one more variable also. Okay, we can say about the greeting. I have the variable, right? So greeting testing 2 I will add. Okay, so this is how you can add the variables, right? So let's go and just how to assess this one. So here we have the action workflows. So here we have actions, and currently workflow, this is my workflow main.yml. So here you can see that I have used the secrets.db host, right, to echoing that one. Okay, so here we have the production, but in the console it will not going to show it because it's a sensitive data, so it's showing you with the help of the star, but we have declared the environment variable, right? So let's see how to fetch that also. So in that note we come to know that this is the environment production and this is the variable. Okay, so just give me a second, like how to show. Let me show that. Hello friends, now you can see that what we have done. So in the connecting to the database 2 we have echoed the variable, right? And in the connect to the database, but this is hashed, so it's not showing in the logs also. Okay, so how we can determine that the whatever I have using in my production or the testing is the same or not? Okay, so let's see. Let's go to my workflow file, right? So here you can see that we are using the production environment. So if I go to the my production environment, so here you can see in my production environment where we go with this one. So this is my environment, and this is what this which environments configure. So environment testing is there. So let me go and check this one first. Environments, let's go to the production. Okay, production, here you can see that the environment is testing too. And here if I go and check my workflow connect to the database, here you can see that here we have a testing too because I'm using the production, right? So here we have another one that is environment, that is staging. Okay, so these have also the greeting, right? So it must print the testing part, right? So let me change this environment with test. It's staging or testing? I think staging. Let's copy the staging and put it in the YML file. Let's go to the actions. Here we have the workflow. Let's edit this YML file, and here I'm going to just edit it, and here I'm just adding the production to staging. Okay, let's try to commit the changes, update these changes. Let's go to the actions. Here we have the workflow, run this. We have done the staging. It must print the testing only, not the testing too. So this is how, if it is working. That means this is how we can make a environment variables and we can use in our workflows, right? So it must print the testing, right? Let's have a go. And here we go with this one, testing. So that means my staging environment is now coming up. Previous is production. That means if I connect to the database, that is picking up with the staging part, right? Not the production. So this is how you can create the environment variables into your GitHub Actions and use it. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.